Ay, naputol.
This is my sister Heidi from San Antonio, Texas.
Texas.
Nakapay greetings from the other two sisters pero isakot ang computer. Anyway, I'd like to proceed with the program and call on the inner wheel. Tita Ria and Tita Nena and the rest of the group.
Uy, inner wheel. Girls, apil mo. Ato na mo, inner wheel, inyo na.
Alam mo sa bulak. Oh.
Tawgon mo na siya karon.
May mga liwag.
Nasa leparta na, manalo na siya.
Our esteemed past district governor Popoy Velez.
Magkuhan ko ni mo.
Popoy actually is the most senior among the past district governors, and he has always been my mentor ever since. But sometimes, pagka-uwit din sa kaya mentor. That's why Sophie would come up then to tell him, please stop that, because, you know, that's how Popoy is. To our darling Sophie, it has been a wonderful, I don't say, a wonderful privilege to know you. Actually, I've known Sophie ever since I was a young high school student when I used to visit my father's office at City Central School, where he was a district supervisor, and Sophie was one of those teachers there. And my papa always says a lot of nice things about Sophie because whenever there are problems among the teachers, Sophie is always there to pass things out. And he would also tell them that, no more quarreling, let's just do our work, what is expected of us. And so my papa had less problems than solving the problems of quarrels among the teachers. Now, when my husband joined the Rotary Club, that was the time when I also was able to join the Inner Wheel Club of the Philippines, Rotary of the West Cagayan de Oro. And it was there that I had a chance to